Hey, I'm Morgan from the Very Unofficial Travel Guides. I'm here on the Norwegian Escape, and I'm going to compare a standard balcony cabin with a mini suite. This is one of several balcony or cabin tour videos that I have posted here on my channel. So if you want to see more of this, please subscribe to me here on YouTube, follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and you can support me at patreon.com/veryunofficial. But before we get to all that, let's look around this cabin. This is cabin number 1216. Well, let's just go look. 12816, a standard balcony cabin. And when you come in, this is the view, and it's so much more improved over the Epic. If you've seen my Epic cabin tour, then you know that when you come into the Epic, you have like the shower on this side and the toilet on this side in translucent glass. Not very nice, not very Morgan friendly. Here is the washroom, the bathroom, the crapper. And Morgan approved, a real door that can close. There's a slight step up here, but I think that's all right. And the shower is here in the glass cabin, which is nice. And we've got quite a bit of counter space. Here are the amenities. Oh, and it's from Bulgari. Fancy. Look at that. We also have the normal hand soap and the glasses and all that. This is very nice. It's a very new ship. Still looks very unused. Here's the bed. This is something that I've started looking for in every cruise cabin and in every hotel room. There are USB ports here next to the bed on both sides, which is so nice. I think that everything should have those now. Every cabin, every hotel, because we all know we have our devices that we want to charge. Here's the closet. Here's the tiny little safe, only for documents. There's no way you could fit an iPad or a computer in there. There's Mom, first cruise. Here is a sofa, which I'm sure you can also sleep people on. I'm not sure, there's probably a way that you can fold it out and make it into a bigger bed, but one person can definitely sleep on it this way, and if you're a tall person, that's longer than the bed, actually. There's storage down there, I think.
I thought you pulled it
or
out,
maybe,
then you put another mattress on it.
That could be it as well. There's some sitting here, and here is the refrigerator, and it says here, just as a reminder, the mini bar is not included in any beverage package. That means if you want any of this, it's going to cost you extra, probably a lot extra, so don't do it. Some more storage space. And there's the television. And here's the balcony. All right, let's go over and look at the mini suite now to compare. So right down there is 12816. That's where we just were in the standard balcony cabin. And just over here is 12822. It's the first of the mini suites here in this stretch of mini suites. And we enter the cabin to this view, and you know, I think this area of the cabin is not any bigger than the standard cabin. I'm pretty sure. But the main difference is here, the bathroom. Oh, hold on, the lights are out. So, look at this bathroom. Dun, dun, dun. There is a much larger shower and a slightly fancier sink area with two, what do you call it, spigots. Nice little backsplash here. And we have the same amenities like in the other cabins. So if you are going to spend the extra money on a mini suite, this area, this is what you're paying for. Because like I said, this is the same as the standard cabin as far as I can tell. the USB ports, the closet here, the sofa, the television, all this, and I got some surprises here. So let's open the surprises together, shall we? This is, it's addressed to Marcus. Don't know why. What do we have here? You are cordially invited to our captain's VIP cocktail party. Well, isn't that nice? On my birthday. All right. What else is in here? Oops. Dropped it. Oh, this is just a letter from the concierge. Here's something addressed to me, Mr. O'Brien. This looks like the same invitation. Yeah, Captain's VIP cocktail party invitation. What do we have here? I bet this is the same letter. Oh, it's an extra $25 of onboard credit. Well, all right. Thank you. Here's some more things here. What are all these? Oh, look. This is a gift from Mariana Crump. Mariana, $50 onboard credit. Are you crazy? Thank you, Mariana. That's so nice. Oh, there's more here. Bon voyage, $100 onboard credit from Joshua Greenfield. Josh is my travel agent. I know I talk about him all the time, cruisesbyjosh.com. Thank you so much, Josh. That is fantastic. There's another one here. Happy birthday. Hope you guys have a great cruise. We always enjoy your videos. Looks like you have a sea day for your birthday, so have a few drinks on us or whatever you want. It's your day. Happy travels, Amanda Patella and Michael Shotwell. $25. Oh my gosh. You guys, thank you so much. That is so sweet. I'm so humbled by these presents. I'm gonna put that to good use, and if you keep watching the videos, then I'll be sure to, show what it is that I use that credit on, I guess. And yeah, I don't know what else to show you about the cabin here. Like I said, it's basically the same cabin as on the other side over there, the standard cabin, the standard balcony cabin, but the bathroom is much larger. I just noticed there is something else that we get here as suite, or mini suite, I don't know, members? And that is here, the bathrobes and slippers. Fancy. There you go. Well, you know what? I forgot. I'm still on wide angle. I probably look kind of like buggy, don't I? I put it on a wider angle so you can see more of the room. It's easier to see more of the room. But when I'm just talking to the camera, I try to take it off the wide angle because it makes my face look funny. Anyways, thanks for watching. We just boarded the ship. All we've done is gone to eat, so be sure to subscribe to get the updates of what we do every day here. I'm going to be doing a ship tour, some restaurant reviews. We're going to Nassau again. We're going to Jamaica. We're going to Grand Cayman. And we also have 2 sea days, so there's going to be a lot of videos coming from this cruise. Thanks for watching. Thank you to my VIPs over on patreon.com/veryunofficial, some of them who gave me these gifts here and who give me a little something extra every month. Their names are over here. Thank you so much, and bon voyage!